Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are installing a 22-inch Polar Bear series dual row LED light bar from Colight LED. On their website you can find various driving lights, LED light bars, LED headlights, as well as accessories like switch panels, UTV parts, Tesla parts and so on. And if you are going to order this product, in the package you will get the LED bar itself, all the harness necessary in order to install everything and have a separate electrical circuit for the LED bar, plus all the brackets needed for the installation with screws and everything. And you should know that you can install this LED bar in two ways. You can attach the LED light lamp from the back or from the side, and in both cases you are able to adjust the orientation of the LED bar. The installation is very simple. The first thing we have to do is find a suitable place for the LED bar. In our case, we choose to install it on this number plate, and after we choose a suitable position, we used the mounting brackets from the back. That's because you can adjust the distance between them. So with this system you can install the LED light bar on supports that are smaller than the light bar itself. You can order this light bar in various dimensions. It starts from 12 inch, you can get the 22 inch, the 32, and the biggest one is the 42 inch. In all cases you can either buy the bar itself or the bar with the wire harness. So after we found a suitable place, we connected all the cables. We took the cable with the relay onto the battery of the car. Then we took the cable inside, and there is a certain setup for the DRL light. So the bar comes with two rows of LED lights, and on the middle we have a nice row of amber or white lights, and we have two cables, the white and the yellow one. So if we want to use the white light for the DRL, we have to connect the white cable to the position light of the car, and if we want to use the yellow light, we have to connect both cables to the position of the car. So depending on which color you want to use, you have to make a certain type of connection. After you choose your desired light for the DRL, the next step is to take the switch in the inside of the car. One nice thing about this setup is this connection right here, which allows us to easily take the button inside of the car. So this is a nice attention to detail which makes the installation, the overall installation, easier. The final step of the installation is finding a suitable place for the switch inside your car, somewhere on the dashboard, and then the installation is complete. So this is the final result for the Colight light bar. Here we have an amber light for the DRL function, and here we have two rows of LEDs which are very strong, very powerful, and I'm going to show you a night test. This LED bar comes with a sealed PC panel. It has three lighting modes: main light source, amber position lights, and white DRL. It features a new bezel-less design with dual row light bar. Main light source, the OSRMA P8 diode combined with the rear hood reflector cup ensures exceptional long range lights. So thanks to these P8 diodes, the 32-inch distributes a 9860 lumen wide beam and reaches around 360 meters. These LED bars are road legal compliant. They have approval for Europe. They have the standard ECE R112, R10 and R7, which means that you can use them without any problems in Europe. The light bar can withstand the instant impact of a weight up to half a ton, which is very impressive, and is suitable for extreme off-road racing or extreme off-road. It comes with an IP68 rating. Another very important aspect, some other LED bars are imitating a laser design, while the Polar Bear series from Colight LED focuses on anti-glare and uniform light distribution. This way, the light bar will improve the overall driving experience at night. It's very bright, it's very powerful, and it's a must-have for your night off-road trips. You can buy it now using the link in the video description and the discount code DCT15. And if you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section.